Hi, Dr. Archie here, and I want to show you how to compute definite integrals using Desmos. All right, so I went to desmos.com. I'm just going to click on Graphing Calculator. Okay, now I'm going to put int, and up pops the integral sign. I'm going to tell it to integrate, say, from 0 to 1, and then pick a really simple function for our first example, dx, and out pops the answer, 0.5. I picked that example because I put in the function y equals x, you can see that it's a straight line. So the area we're talking about is the area under the curve from 0 to 1. That's a triangle, 1/2 base times height. And so you can easily see that this, in fact, gave us the right answer. The downside of Desmos for integration is that it can't handle symbolic integration. It won't tell you the formula. But if you want a numerical value for a definite integral, then you can get it from Desmos. And of course, you could integrate more complicated functions like x times e to the x squared times, let me get out of the exponent, natural log of x. And it can tell you that answer too. So Desmos can be a pretty great, handy way to integrate things. One of the things I really like about it is that there's a phone app so that I always have it with me, because I do not carry my graphing calculator everywhere I go. I know, you would think otherwise, but I really don't. But the phone I have pretty much everywhere all the time. So if I need to check out something, easy to do.